Bor ka BCCI TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Shillong Cricket Association haka ka khandai truk lalingkot arajar punril klapen kup buram yu James ki Sangma ublasha jed ban Shimti kumu President Thymmai jong Meghalaya Cricket Association. Haka jingalang pun kup buram lasa kilang de kinoi lam jong Shillong Cricket Association bikin thup yu President uba Peter Mac Karsawian, u Vice President uba Alexander Linser, u Secretary uba Bandri Karmalki, u Treasurer uba Mackie Dibla bat kiwe kod jangkaseng.
I would like to seek the support of not just the Shillong Cricket Association and its esteemed members, but everyone, including our players, including all the people associated with cricket in our state. For me, the confidence and the faith that has been expressed by the members of the Shillong Cricket Association, it means a lot. It is a very, very serious responsibility that I feel that I have to shoulder during my tenure as the President of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, and I assure each and every one of you that I will be giving it my 100%, and I will constantly seek your guidance and will constantly seek your support as we try to move forward. There are so many things that still need to be done, and so many challenges that are still present in terms of cricket and its growth in the state of Meghalaya. And I have been saying this time and again, and I cannot stress enough on the fact that Meghalaya and the game of cricket completely has been and is still very much dependent on the role that the associations, be it the districts or the Shillong Cricket Association, they will be playing as we take this forward. And right now, as we have seen, that the Shillong Cricket Association isn't just the oldest cricket association in the state of Meghalaya and of course in the entire northeast, but is also the most active and the biggest cricket association in our state. And this is the kind of role that Shillong Cricket Association and of course the other smaller districts also have been playing in terms of the growth of cricket. And I want to lay stress on this fact that for me as a President of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, I truly believe that it is only in the growth and it is only in the activities of the Shillong Cricket Association and the other district cricket associations that we will see changes coming forward. And that's why my number one priority as I go forward in my role as the President of the Cricket Association is to look at how we can collaborate with all the districts, with Shillong Cricket Association as the most active and the largest association, as to how we can share experiences and also get to know about the different difficulties that you are facing and find solutions to those collectively. So this is not going to be a show where Meghalaya Cricket Association will be taking decisions on their own. No, I want to make this absolutely clear that as we go forward, it will be on a basis of consultation and collaboration with all the cricket associations which are affiliated to the Meghalaya Cricket Association. We are very very grateful, for the kindness and the support that we're getting from BCCI. And I would like to put it on record that the BCCI has been extremely supportive of the Meghalaya Cricket all the activities of the Meghalaya Cricket Association. But as we go forward, we will work together with the associations, and we will look at how we can lay out the roadmap and the blueprint for growth of cricket in our state. And for that I'm very excited, and once again I seek and solicit the the support of all the associations and all the districts. I am available 24/7. My mobile number is always on, and this is what I want to also reach out to our players, to our support staff, and of course to all the members of the district. If there's anything, please feel free to reach out to me, and I believe that that is the only way that we will be able to make this whole system, not just the the Meghalaya Cricket Association, but also the districts and the other cricket associations, more robust and more meaningful and more effective if we keep interacting. So please feel free to reach out to me and to let me know of any kind of concerns, be it even the smallest of concerns. Still I would like to and love to listen to each and every one of you. So please feel free to reach out to me.
First of all, I feel very blessed and at the same time extremely humbled for having assumed the post of the President of Meghalaya Cricket Association. It is a very big responsibility, and it is something that a lot of people have expressed that they have a lot of expectations in terms of my assuming the post of the President of MCA. And I would like to say that I am extremely excited at the same time with this responsibility, because I feel there is a lot more that can be done in terms of how we can grow cricket, in terms of how we can bring more people, more of our youth towards cricket. And there is a lot of potential in our youngsters, in our youth in the state, and extremely excited about that. The message that I would like to give to all the cricketing fraternity of Meghalaya is that this game has immense potential, not just as establishing themselves as sports persons, but also in terms of it as a career. And there are many youth who want to come and take up this sport, but for lack of opportunities, for lack of guidance, that they have not been able to really find a foothold. And we as Meghalaya Cricket Association, we feel that the associations can play a pivotal role in making sure that the environment can be made better to foster that kind of participation and access. So as a president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, I seek the support of all the respective districts, because it is the districts that will be the backbone on which cricket will be able to grow. So this will be complete teamwork. Cricket is a team sport, and we as a cricketing association, the Meghalaya Cricket Association, seek the support of all the districts. And I want better coordination and better synergy between all the districts and of course the Apex Council of the Meghalaya Cricket Association. So there's a lot of things that need to be done, and right now I'm in the stage of creating that kind of roadmap and that blueprint. Most of the districts need a lot of support in terms of the infrastructure that every district wants to bring up, namely the cricketing grounds. We only have 2 cricketing grounds which are recognized and approved by the BCCI. One is of course in Shillong, and the other one is the Alotri ground in West Karwal, that is in Tura. But there is a need for many more such kind of infrastructure that we need in the state, and I think that that will have to be the first primary focus that I would like to take up in terms of not just playgrounds but also in terms of other cricketing infrastructure, the practice pitches, and also in terms of other infrastructure. Then of course the second priority would be, of course, to uh, to scout for potential players. As I was mentioning earlier, that there's so much potential in terms of our youngsters for the game of cricket, but sadly they don't find the access, or they're not being able to they're not receiving proper guidance. So we would like to ensure that we find more youth coming in, and we want to also make the selection the process more rigorous and more streamlined, so that the more of the talented and the deserving cricketers find a place to represent not just their respective districts but also to represent the state and hopefully the region. Without a proper cricket stadium, we will be only able to achieve a certain amount of success. But to really see true success, we must have a full cricketing ground and a stadium. And for that, we are going to take that up as another priority, wherein we will be scouting for places where we can acquire. We will also be seeking the help from the government in terms of land, whether the government can help us with allotment of land which will be good for a stadium and of course all the other facilities. It's only been about not even a month since I've taken over as president, but even now as we speak, the amount of the response that we are getting from rural areas which earlier we felt were not really cricket friendly is tremendous right now, contrary to what we have seen in the past. But now a lot of the rural kids are showing keen interest in cricket. So the way to really reach out to them would be, as I was saying, the outreach has to be there. We can't expect the kids to come to us looking at expressing their desire to pursue cricket. So we will have a very rigorous outreach program, scouting program, and these kind of things are already in existence, but we want to make it more robust. In my felicitation program, I've already mentioned that we are extremely grateful to the BCCI for all the support they've given over the years, and we continue to seek that support from them. The relationship in terms of how we will be coordinating with the BCCI, this will have to be, again, rather than us waiting to be called, I would prefer to have a more proactive approach to things. So I will seek, audience with all the BCCI heads, the Apex Council members, and meet them, and not necessarily when we are called for the Apex Council meeting, but even in such situations where the council meetings are still yet to be called, we will have to take a more proactive step to meet them, to discuss, express to them the various challenges that we as a state and with our own unique conditions we face. So all these things will be explained to the BCCI, and we want to take a more proactive approach to them. I think that transparency has to go without saying, and to ensure that there are many ways that number one, in terms of administration point of view. See, I as the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, I am a firm believer that administration and accounting, all these things have to be properly streamlined, and so we are going to go through a process of, there is an audit which has already been conducted. The audit has expressed a lot of its observations in a report. So based on those, and also apart from that, in terms of how we can further improve administration and bring about more accountability in the administration, that is going to be something that we will be initiating. And I think that in terms of selections, in terms of that is player selections. These are the things that I think there is a process in place. I'm not saying that it's not there, but there is always scope for further improvement.